people, what's up? It's your boy Xavier John and alongside Vikas. And we are off to another ride. We are going to the national park today. It's the 14th of February and single.
Happy Valentine. Drink beer.
This Valentine, सिर्फ एक सहारा, Valentine. I have not made a video for a couple of weeks. The reason being I've been occupied with a lot of things, especially with some health related issues. So now I'm planning to go out for this small trip along with my brother and So if you like this video, if you like the place, comment your thoughts down below. Do drop a like
Share.
and subscribe to my channel.
Let's
Also, my Instagram link is down below. Do check that out. So if you guys don't know that I'm an explorer, not only exploring places, but rather I also explore different restaurants and stuff. And I'm a big time foodie. If you follow my Instagram, you might already know that. If not, do check it out. I have something special coming out very soon. I'm collaborating with someone, and if that someone is watching at the moment, so you know that I'm talking about you. So let's make that happen very soon. So for all the food lovers out there, there's a video coming out. It's almost 10:30, I believe. 10:30.
Yes.
It's 10:30 in the morning. Hopefully you'll reach there in the next 1 hour, and let's check that out. It's a beautiful place. Jungle safari, boating and stuff like that. So let's go and see what all we can do there. See you all there. Bye. We've reached Sanjay Gandhi National Park. We are at the bike parking. We've just parked our bike now. We can't take our private vehicles inside, so we gotta rent a bicycle. I've met a guy. We are going to his place now. He's got a cycle shop. We're gonna rent a cycle to ride in. We are at this Harry cycle shop since we had to park our vehicles out, and now we've got few cycles to select from here. We're gonna ride these bikes in and have some good time inside there. So I have someone with me here, the event manager for Harry Cycles, Prateek.
Hi.
So we have events every day. We have 2 events every day from Monday to Friday. So each event costs 550 rupees. We go to Gorai, RA, National Park. We have midnight cycling as well. So if anyone is interested, will you provide my number?
Yes, surely. So I'll provide you with Prateek's number. Their Instagram also will be in the description down. Plus I'll put it somewhere over here. Okay, you can follow them on Instagram, DM them. Once you DM them, you will get all the information. Plus also if you use my code, that's Explorer Atlas, my YouTube channel's name. If you just let them know, you'll get a discount as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it, and we've got couple of cycles right over here.
Yeah, a lot of cycles actually.
So can you show me what are the range and what are the prices of it?
So this is 150 per hour.
Okay, this one is 150 per hour.
And this one for 120 per hour.
Okay.
And those one inside are for 80 per hour.
80 per hour.
Yeah.
Okay. So right now, Prateek, I need the 80 per hour ones.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah. We need 2 cycles right now. One for me, one for Vikas. This is my cycle. Excited for the ride. We'll see you all in there. We are at Sanjay Gandhi National Park at the entrance. I'm waiting for Vikas right now. He's gone in to get the tickets. Ticket day?
दो साइकिल का ले लो ना. साइकिल का भी लेने का.
साइकिल का कहाँ से लेने का टिकट? अरे यार वापस से लाइन हो गया अभी. कितने का है साइकिल का?
डायरेक्ट जाना है. आप बोलो साइकिल का बाकी है मेरा.
कितना है साइकिल का? There my boys come with the ticket.
Let's go! See this Sanjay Gandhi National Park. It's a national tiger. So this is the tracks where the toy train runs. Canary Caves, Bamboo Hut Trail, La Trail right ahead. Last time I इधर deer देखा था.
Hey, I can see this.
Where?
Monkey देखो इधर.
किधर?
ये झाड़ पे बैठा है. फैमिली बैठा है इधर, हम लोग उधर देख रहे हैं.
Oh, little monkeys. Yes, bro.
Taking our first break. Watermelon. Let's get rehydrated. Also, cycling has made us really thirsty. So, cheers to Nimbu Pani. Right now, we have crossed this bridge. This bridge right here, if you see it. We have crossed that bridge. And now we are headed back. We're going here for the boating. We're going for boating now, and then we'll head back home. So we have reached the boating spot at the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Riding here is amazing, it's awesome. We had an amazing time riding on these bicycles. We sit here and this is the boating spot, and soon we are going for boating now. This queue for boating is too long, yeah. It's too long. So many people out there. That will take at least another half an hour, and I've rented this cycles only for 2 hours. So I'll have to leave, or else I'll have to pay double. So boating, I don't think so I'll be able to do it today. I'll probably do it next time when I come here. Next time if I come here, I'm gonna come out here with my family or else with all my friends. It's fucking amazing, yaar. We just move ahead. We'll see other places around for a while and then move back, go for lunch and then head home. So I found this lakeside to just chill at, and you see this little family.
of monkeys right here. Oh, so sweet. Isn't that beautiful? Little family of monkeys. She's breastfeeding her baby. We found this little place right here. Vikas, let's go. Let's chill down there. I'm exhausted, man. It was crazy ride. And I'm back on my bike again, given the bicycles. Now we are headed to Anand Dhaba for some lunch. Post that, we'll go home. For now, let's go to Anand Dhaba and check out that place. So we have finally reached Anand Dhaba, and I have a membership of this place, so I get discounts. That's the reason why I'm here. And I'll show you this place around. So we are going to go and sit on top in one of those shacks.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Hi hungry, I'm Xavier. चल अभी खाने के जाने का चल कब. Okay, so let's go. Here's our main course. बटर नान.
हाँ.
और वो
ये रजवाड़ी लपेटा.
रजवाड़ी लपेटा. So first let's try Lajawab kebab. So let's try this out first. Just this. It's so juicy. It's amazing. It's very juicy. Oh, it's amazing. Really love it. Now I really want to try. I can't wait to try it with this chutney. It's spicy. The taste is awesome. It just elevates the flavor. Amazing. Let's keep this aside and try the main course. So this main course is called Rajwadi Lapeta, along with butter naan. Let's try it out. Let's just try this first. The gravy. Beautiful. Really amazing. It's a little on the oily side, but then who cares?
Calories.
Beautiful calories. Oh, man. This is really amazing. So you should come to this place. Definitely, it's worth being here. The food is amazing. Just check this place out. It's called Anand Dhaba. It's at the highway. That's it. Just come here, have fun, chill out with your friends. So we are done with our lunch and we are headed home now. So if you've liked this video, share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy. Bye-bye.